To start shorting on eToro, you need to understand what shorting is. Shorting, also known as short selling, is a trading strategy that involves selling a financial instrument you do not own with the expectation of buying it back later at a lower price to make a profit. First, you need to open an account on eToro and deposit funds. Once your account is set up, you can browse the various markets and instruments available on the platform. To short an instrument, you need to click on the instrument you want to short and then click the Sell button. You will be presented with an order screen where you can set the amount you want to short and the stop loss and take profit levels. The stop loss is the price at which your short position will be automatically closed if the price moves against you, and the take profit is the price at which your position will be closed if the price moves in your favor. It is essential to set these levels carefully as they can help you manage your risk. You can also set a leverage level, which allows you to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. However, using high leverage can increase your potential losses as well as your potential gains. Once you have set your short position, you can monitor it in the portfolio section of your account. You can also close your position manually by clicking the Close button. It is crucial to have a solid understanding of the markets and the risks involved in shorting. Before you start trading, it is also essential to have a risk management strategy in place to protect your capital. eToro also offers a virtual account where you can practice shorting and other trading strategies with virtual money before using real funds. This can be an excellent way to get familiar with the platform and the markets without risking your capital. In conclusion, shorting on eToro can be a powerful trading strategy if used correctly. By following these steps and doing your research, you can start shorting on eToro and potentially profit from falling markets.